Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello, everybody. My name is Haider Mustafa. I'm one of the BizzTrade ambassadors. And thank you all for joining us today. You will be presented a brand new life-changing opportunity in the name of BizzTrade. We are at the Birmingham operation office right here, right now. We have a head office in Ireland and also an office in USA. Our corporate team is led by our fantastic leader, our CEO, our inspiration, Rehan Gohar, who has a fantastic team behind him and who have created an amazing opportunity for people around the world. Now, products and services, BizzTrek is the parent company. It offers so many different products and services around the world. And today, we will be discussing to you about the new product which was launched just 3 weeks ago in Thailand, Pattaya. We had over 93 leaders around the world in Thailand launching this amazing service. And most of these people, most of the leaders are on the call tonight as well. Now, I won't have time to explain to you about all the services, but there will be some services that I will mention to you. One of the services is called a Biz Cashback. It's not a credit card, it's not a debit card. There's no interest on it, and you cannot get into debt with it. It's just a prepaid top-up card. You load your own money onto the card, and when you go out shopping to over 60 high street stores, and you will get up to 5% cashback. Yes, up to 5% cashback on every single transaction. Unbelievable, amazing. Now, this card, since March 2019, this year, it has saved me personally over £100 already. It's money that I wouldn't have had in the first place. Thank you, BizzTrek. Now, we have this MasterCard as well. Look at that. It's got BizzTrade sign at the bottom. Amazing. This is available for people worldwide, wherever you are in the world, and it will be delivered to your home address as well. So you can order this from your back office. We also have a Biz Cashback card, which is available in some of the countries around the world. So for example, with this membership card, if you want to buy a pizza, you go to Pizza Hut. Now, thanks to our membership card, you get another pizza for free. Simple. Now, welcome to BizzTrade. I had a look at Forex trading 3 years ago. My friend introduced me to Forex, and when we were watching some YouTube videos, he absolutely bamboozled me. There is so much to learn in Forex. All these pip ships, candles, and all these things that's happening all around. I didn't know where to start from. I didn't know what to do. You know, it's a lot of learning and education that you need in order for you to understand exactly what you need to do. And after 2 days, I had to knock it on the head because I was also working full time, and I didn't have the time to actually concentrate because I was working full time, 40 hours a week. And in an industry like this, you have to put a lot of time into it. I was just talking to somebody yesterday, and their family member has looked into Forex, and it's been 4 years that they've been educating themselves. So, you know, 4 years is a long time. And when I was introduced to BizzTrade, I was skeptical as well. And it's only until I had a look at the presentation. You know, when you only want to see what you want to see, I seen what I wanted to see. And the CEO presented me the opportunity, and I grabbed it with my 2 hands because I knew how powerful this opportunity was, and I didn't want to miss out on it. I wanted to tell the whole world. And here I am telling you guys, and we'll explain to you what BizzTrade is all about. So thank you very much for joining us. Now, what is Forex? Forex is the largest and most lucrative financial market in the world. It is huge. It's not millions, it's not billions, it's a $5.3 trillion industry per day, and it's growing on a daily basis as well. Now, Forex stands for Foreign Exchange Market. It's a place where you can trade currencies one for another, and that determines the value of all currencies. Now, have you ever thought what banks do with our money? Our money that we put into the banks. At the end of the year, what do we get? We get a small percentage. But how much do banks make, really? Banks have their own Forex department. But we don't get the luxuries of what the actual banks do make. Now, if you like to make a passive income, exactly how banks make their money, then I suggest you listen very carefully, because I'm about to explain to you how. But 72% of people lose money in Forex. There are 3 reasons why. Let me share them with you. Trading themselves without education and experience, not knowing where to put the trade, what to do, etc. Starting with small accounts and taking higher risks. There's human emotions that are used, because when you start making money, you have the urge, the emotions kick in. You want to put that money back in and make more money. But it always doesn't work out the same, because you might absolutely, annoy your account, okay? And you might just lose everything. Now, reason number 3, there's no access to the systems that cost millions of dollars on robotic artificial intelligence tradings. You and I, we all know people who have spent hundreds and even thousands of pounds on Forex education, wanted to learn about what Forex market is, because we always see that there's a lot of money to be made. Oh yes, it's a $5.3 trillion industry per day. Why wouldn't there be any money to be made? Okay, but BizzTrade has a solution. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, BizzTrade will show you how the 28% of the people are making money, and how we can make money as well, thanks to BizzTrade. Because BizzTrade uses artificial intelligence, combined with a team of traders operating from 5 global locations. BizzTrade has trading partners. They are FCA regulated, and they've been going over for 10 years. They're one of the best trading partners around the world. They know what to do. They create algorithms. They've got robots to do the trades. They have a dedicated risk management team which monitors all the traders 24 hours a day to make sure that they are doing the job of what they're supposed to do. These traders, they're not using human emotions, because it's their job. They get paid hundreds of pounds an hour to do a job. And the risk management team monitors them to make sure that they are doing their job, or they'll be sacked. Our trading partners have a great checkable track record of generating consistent profits. That's what we want to see. And many members of BizzTrade are seeing the profits on a daily basis. So BizzTrade offers Forex education packages. These packages will be available 1st of November. We have Forex master courses, we have live sessions with the experts, and also video library of hundreds and hundreds of hours of content about the Forex education. Now, depending on the package that you purchase, it depends on the education that you receive. We have basic level education, intermediate, advanced, and many more. These are the 8 education packages that we have. And all we have to do is when we buy any of these education packages, every Monday, we log on to our back office, either on our mobile phone or our laptop or our iPad. Now, the whole world has an internet connection. So anybody around the world is able to be part of BizzTrade, wherever you are in the world. That's why we have Americans, we have South Americans, we have people from Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia joining us today on the call. Now, every Monday, simply all we have to do is log into our back office and just click one button. We have 23 hours and 59 minutes just to click one button to allow you to earn a daily trading profit Monday to Friday. Absolutely incredible. Yes, just Monday, you click one button and you will start earning your daily trading profit. Now, when we buy these education packages will last for 1 year. Yes, 1 year. You don't buy these packages every month, you don't buy them every quarter. Now, when we buy these education packages, BizzTrade will have an account and BizzTrade will invest the money from the education packages into the trading partner. And the trading partner will create daily trading profits on a daily basis. And BizzTrade will then share that profit according to its members of which package that they have purchased. So you earn up to 0.4% on the starter packages, you earn up to 0.6% on the business packages, up to 0.8% daily on the trader packages, and up to 1% daily on the VIP packages. So for every package that you buy, there is a package activation fee of €10. Now you can maximum buy 5 packages. Now you will earn daily trading profit for 52 weeks, which is 1 year. Now the day trading profits that we receive, you can withdraw your money anytime. As long as you have minimum of €100 in your back office, that's when you can withdraw your money. Now I'll explain to you shortly how you can withdraw your money and where you can withdraw your money. Now, at the end of the year, 52 weeks, there's not much we have to do for the whole of 52 weeks, other than just clicking one button every Monday. At the end of the 52 weeks, whichever package that you have purchased, you will get your package amount returned back to you as well. Wow. So you're earning daily trading profit every day, Monday to Friday. You don't earn it on the Saturdays and Sundays because the exchange market is closed on Saturday and Sunday. So that's the New York Exchange, London Exchange, and Tokyo Exchange. So you earn Monday to Friday. So for 52 weeks, you're earning Monday to Friday. And at the end of the year, you also get your package back as well. What an opportunity. Okay. Now, this is without you, telling your friends and family. So BizzTrade has an amazing opportunity where you can passively, by just clicking one button, and also getting your money back due to the calculations at the end of the year as well. Incredible. Now, I understand, guys, it's very hard to keep this to yourself if you're making money. You want to share this to your loved ones. And if you want to share this opportunity with the loved ones, we do have an active process as well with this business. We have an active opportunity where you can make more money if you like by referring your friends and family and people you meet on a daily basis. So when you refer and recommend, you will earn 5 different types of income. Income number 1, direct commission. So you earn 10% of whichever package that your friends or family purchase. And there's no limit in how many members that you can join. Number 2, it's called a team bonus. This is worked on a binary system. So you earn 8, 9, or 10% depending on which package that you choose from all your team, which has the less packages, either the right team or the left team. And whichever packages that are being brought into your weakest team, you will earn 8, 9, or 10% of every single package coming in. And this bonus gets paid every night, 24 hours. And also the direct commission gets paid immediately, guys, just to remind you. Direct bonus of 10% gets paid immediately, and team bonus, 8, 9, or 10%, depending on which package that you purchase, gets paid every night, 24 hours. So when you wake up in the morning, you'll see another bonus. Awesome. Matching bonus. Matching bonus is a bonus that all leaders love, because you will earn an additional 10% commission of all your direct members' team bonus as well. And when your direct members introduce their direct members, you have a load of second generation. Now you will earn second generation of 5% commission of all your second generation's team bonus as well. At this position, you will not know where your money is coming from. You need to be on a minimum, a traded package, in order for you to qualify for this bonus, matching bonus. Renewal bonus. So whichever package that you have, you can only earn 4 times of the amount, which is 400%. So if any of your team members reach 400%, their package will expire, so they will have to renew to buy a bigger package or the same amount of package. And when your team is renewing the packages, you will earn direct bonus again, team bonus again, and matching bonus again if you have a €5,000 package or above. The corporate plan. Remember, we have a right team and a left team. So for every €50 on the right and €50 on the left, that will give you 1 point. And all your points will expire at the end of the month, but they'll start again at the beginning of the month. So when you reach to team leader position at 200 points, you will not lose your status, which is team leader. 400 points, you become executive leader. Region director position, this is where it gets quite interesting, because the company BizzTrade understands the efforts that you put in, the hard work, the commitment, the desire that you have to succeed, and they want to incentivize you. They want to get you away to a luxury international holiday for your efforts. So if you reach 900 points within a full calendar month, you go on a luxury international holiday. Executive director position, they look after you even more. They give you €15,000 towards a car. Region president position, the cash bonus increases. Executive president position, and that's where it increases even more. Okay, MasterCard. So as mentioned, we have a MasterCard which is available for anybody around the world. It's available from a back office to order. It's just for €50. Now anybody around the world can order this MasterCard. So BizzTrade payouts. So your commissions can go into your MasterCard, even into your Visa card. Now the Visa card is only available for UK members. Even into Bitcoins and also bank transfer. So whichever bank, wherever you are around the world, you can get your commissions directly into your bank. Ladies and gentlemen, what a simple opportunity. An opportunity where you can start from as little as €60 and you can build this and have people around the world to grow their business and for them to become successful. It is very simple. You buy a package, you buy a Forex education package, and you just have to click a button every Monday. Click a button every Monday and you will earn a passive income Monday to Friday. That's it. If you want to share this opportunity with the loved ones, you can do, and you'll earn more. There are 5 different incomes. A simple opportunity, a down-to-earth opportunity that has already changed many people's lives, because BizzTrade's pre-launch had begun from 15th of July, and we had an amazing time in Thailand. as I mentioned before, and it is now officially launched. We are the pioneers of BizzTrade. So for those who are watching this for the first time, I thank you all for taking your time out and you know, agreeing and understanding and listening to the person who's invited you on this call, because they have done you a massive favor. As I say, a lot of people, well, many people, those people who join at the beginning of a company, they're the ones who become more successful. But the only way that you can become successful is by making it happen. Now, there are three different types of people in this world. Those who make it happen, those who watch others make it happen, and those who don't know what the hell has happened. So you want to ask yourself, which one are you? I'm sure every single person on this call after this presentation will be like, I want to make it happen. Guys, if it is to be, it is up to me. Keep asking that every single night before you go to bed. Okay, God bless you guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate you taking your time out and listening to me. I'm going to pass it over to Fareha right now. Okay, she's an absolutely fantastic woman who has literally broken so many records already. So, you know, do take the time out to stay on this call and listen to this amazing woman. Pass it over to Fareha. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Haider. I think you did a superb job. I mean, I'm so impressed. I love working with Haider. One of the most patient. He's got the patience of an angel.
Thank you.
Guys, I will just briefly outline why I do what I do, which is why I'm involved in this opportunity. A couple of minutes of background about myself. I've been in banking for nearly 20 years. So I worked in the corporate world. I worked for the likes of Lloyd, Santander, HBOS, Islamic Bank, and I also have my own business in financial services. So I provide finance for people, whether it's mortgages, commercial finance, bridging, development finance. But you know, one of the things is we always work hard for our money. Every hour that we work, we're giving our time away. So one of the things I've always been looking for is time versus money, money versus time. Can we actually get a balance? Most of the people that I meet, sisters and brothers around the world, they work paycheck to paycheck. You know, there's no passive income, nothing to fall back on. And a lot of people, you know, it is our duty, I feel, that we should support those that we can and make a difference to their lives. If we cannot make a difference, we've got nothing, no legacy to leave behind. And you know, humanity is crying out to help those that we can, the best that we can. Because I'd like to go to sleep with telling myself that I have at least changed one person's life if I can. And you know what, every morning I get so many calls and appreciation of messages that I absolutely love it. So in terms of how this facility is, it's a fintech app. So you guys do not need to worry about, oh, how does Forex work? How are the ins and outs? Do I have to learn this process? No, you don't. I'm a tech dinosaur. Believe you me, sometimes I forget to put my laptop on and I'm asking why the hell it's not working. So that's the level of my technology. I love this app. First, we are the first pioneers in the world to get what we are getting today. It is like people who are sitting back now thinking, I wish I got involved when Airbnb was launched. I wish I was involved when Uber was launched. I wish I was involved when Amazon First was launched. Well, guys, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. It's a fintech app, pioneers, and all you do is press start. Everything is done for you. You're giving permission for the third party to trade on your behalf. It is permission for you to share in the profit share of the company. It is the first time, I would say, given the last 20 years of experience that I have, most of us will say, oh my God, that sounds too good to be true. Well, it is great and it is true. We are processed driven in the world where we do not think certain things are happening. I myself have personally tested the system. I am blessed because I am earning. I have put my family, I have put my friends, because I believe in doing multiple income streams. So I have my passive income, I have my networking income, I have my financial services income, I have a network, a huge network of friends and family. And you know what, for me, if I can add even 1% of value to their lives, I bloody well will, right? And that's how I operate. So in the background with my banking, what can I tell you? Haider has covered it off so well, I almost feel I'm repeating him. But I just want to reiterate, who's making the money? The world that we live in, the corporate world, the big fat cats up there make all the money. And they will tell you the economy is effed, whatever, you know, read the rest. Why? Why is it? Because that's what they want us to believe. But you know, people, there's a difference between money and currency. And people do not understand the difference between these two. It is circulating, it is regenerating, and the people who need it the most are told, you cannot get it. Well, you can get it. Don't believe everything you hear, because we are all being programmed not to think independently. Battery is going on. We are programmed not to think independently. Why? Because when we go to school, when we go to university, when we go to work, what are we taught? We are taught how to buy a business. We are taught how to be entrepreneurs. We are taught how to give people jobs. We are told when to get up, when to eat, when to go for a break, when we can leave our work, right? That's what we are, being taught how to be a factory worker. What we do not want is for the next generation to be like that. We want people, entrepreneurs for the next generation. And how we can do that is, yes, you can have your day job, but you also want to wake up to some money that you didn't work hard for. Let the money work for you. The key thing and the best thing about this is barriers to entry have been taken out. We want to support those that have their millions, and believe you me, I have some very, very interesting clients who are supporting us in this, and those that are not quite there. I have personally sponsored a few people because I believe in this and I believe in them. It is called, with our wealth, what are we going to do with it? If we can't help somebody who needs it the most, what are we going to do with it? We can't take it with us. So we might as well spread it out and give everybody the opportunity to have a decent lifestyle, food on their table, roof over their head, and clothes on their back. If they can wake up in the morning and not worry about how to pay their bills, or the roof has been taken off by a tornado that has hit them last night, if we can give them that opportunity, you know what? We have a way of fixing all those problems. That's the angle I come from. Now, one of the things that Haider mentioned, which was third party, they are professionals. The minimum account that they deal with is £30 million. What does that mean? That means our small portion is put into that big fund and we get a share. And that's how we make our profit share. It isn't about, oh, you know, how is that possible? If you understand the Forex market and how these worldwide international traders work, you will actually see that to make money in that market is unlimited. But the key is retail traders, you and I, we go in that market, first and foremost, we can't afford those bills to pay the professionals. Second of all, these packages are between 5 and 20,000 to learn. Do we have the time? Can we quit our job? Can we do that investment? No, most of us do not have the time, the energy, or the emotions that can take us to that level. So why would I bother? I wouldn't. I'd rather press a start button on an app and I'm done. So barriers to entry are gone. For those that need it, you can start from as little as 60 euros, which includes your activation fee. I don't really want to go on, but anybody who's looking for a passive income, with your original investment, you can earn between 120 to 150%. I've done the maths. If at the end of the year, you haven't made your account into, or we haven't made your account into 400%, we guarantee to give you original capital back. So when you have withdrawn your funds every night, every week, every month, every quarter, whatever the case may be, you keep that money. What we will do, because we didn't deliver 400%, we will give your capital back. So if somebody invested 40,000, average income is between 8% to 10%, which is £800 to 1,000. What happens? That's the income that they will generate. At the end of the year, you get your 10 grand back because you only made probably 12 to 15 grand.